What up, nomads? In this video, I'm giving you an in-depth review of the Carrier Tote from Troubadour, a bag company that started in the UK and makes some incredibly stylish and well-designed bags for modern travelers. Let's go! If you're like me, the choice of which bag to use as your personal item on the plane isn't made lightly. The item, whether a backpack or a tote bag, has to be big enough for a laptop and headphones, but still small enough to slide under the seat in front of you. It also can't be too heavy and be able to stay on top of my wheeled suitcase easily as I'm traveling. I've had the Troubadour Carrier Tote for a couple of months now, and I wanted to give it a real go before recording this review. It's been my personal item on a few trips now, and it's already been to Kansas City, Chicago, Montreal, and Vancouver. When I was first introduced to Troubadour, which was probably through an Instagram ad if I'm honest, I noticed their top-selling featherweight tote first. I liked it, but what was missing for me was a top zipper. Fast forward to this year, and I noticed that they launched the Carrier Tote, a close cousin to the featherweight tote, but with several more features on top of the zipper that I already really wanted. So first, the bag is 18 inches wide and 12 inches tall and 7.5 inches deep. The handle length is also 7.5 inches. The main part is lightweight and waterproof fabric, and the handles are Italian leather, while the detachable strap is made from vegan leather and non-slip neoprene. The zipper at the top is so high quality, which I find is getting more and more rare with some of these outdoor bag companies. The inside has a full padded pocket for a 15-inch laptop, which is also quite rare. So many bags that I love on the outside can only accommodate a 13-inch laptop, so this is super awesome and roomy. There are also several other cool pockets inside that are great for organizing your stuff, and one secret magnetic pocket on the outside that is perfect for your passport or your phone. One unique feature that I have to show you are these side snaps. So you'll notice that there's a lot more space available if you unsnap them. I thought they were the kind of pull snaps, but you actually slide them to unlock it, and this is just a lot more secure. And it opens up the bag to accommodate even more volume. What I love most about this bag is truly how light it is despite its size. I load up my personal item and my laptop alone adds so much weight, so the fact that the bag to start with is quite light is great. My bags have to be light so I'm not struggling to carry them once they're full, and that's why I stopped bringing fully leather bags with me as my carry-on item because they just get too heavy. When taking it on the plane with me, I didn't have any trouble fitting it under the seat in front of me, but it did take up my entire leg space, so do take that into consideration. A couple of things that I don't like about this bag. The first one is that it doesn't have that strap or sleeve so that I can slide it on my suitcase when it's moving. I didn't have a major issue with this bag falling off at all, but I can imagine if you didn't properly balance the weight of the items in it, it could tumble over. So I also kind of loop these over top of my luggage handle as well. Secondly, I find these main straps to be a tad short. When I'm just wearing a shirt like this one, that's not a problem, but I live in Canada, so I'm wearing some sort of outerwear most of the year. And I'm nervous that this is going to be a little tight over things like puffy jackets, for example. My last little bugbear about this bag is that I wish the logo was tone on tone so that it wasn't quite so prominent. I do understand the purpose of branding and the advertising purpose of it, but I just wish that it was a little more subtle. But other than that, this bag is pretty amazing. It's sleek and stylish and functional and so roomy. And on shorter trips, when I'm not bringing my laptop, I may still reach for my away everywhere bag. But for trips where I need my laptop, headphones, cables, and all my other long haul flight essentials, this bag is going to be it. And if you're curious what I pack on a long haul flight, check out my video all about that, which I'll link above and in the description. And to see more Troubadour bags, I've left a link in the description to all of their products. And they make bags for men, women, for travel, everyday carry. They have purses, wallets, so yeah, do check them out. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy travels. Thanks for watching this video until the end. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the Capsule Suitcase and turn on notifications so you get all the fresh content as soon as it comes out. Thanks for supporting this channel. Happy travels!